Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious microwave banana bread. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a small pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 egg ready. Finally, grab a microwave-safe mug or rain tin. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by mashing your ripe banana directly in your microwave-safe mug until it's smooth. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oil, mixing them well with the banana. Then, stir in the 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk until everything is nicely combined. Finally, gently fold in the 4 tablespoons of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder until just incorporated, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Place your mug with the batter into the microwave. Cook it on high power for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Microwaves can vary, so keep an eye on it. To check if it's done, carefully insert a toothpick into the center of the banana bread. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's perfectly baked. If not, microwave for an additional 15 to 30 seconds until cooked through. Congratulations, your microwave banana bread is ready. Carefully remove the hot mug from the microwave using oven mitts to protect your hands. It's best to let it cool for a few minutes before you dig in, as it will be quite hot. Once slightly cooled, you can enjoy your warm, delicious, and incredibly easy homemade banana bread. This quick recipe is perfect for a single-serving treat anytime you crave something sweet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.